Hello my dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. Here you can find job updates related to pharmacy. Friends, in this video we are going to see job opening from experienced candidates in various departments like manufacturing, packaging, engineering. So for experienced candidates, so if you are a fresher, you can kindly skip this video because this is not for you. For this video is especially for experienced candidates. So let us see these details regarding this walk-in interview. Friends, this is a walk-in interview from Tirupati Medicare Limited. They are conducting walk-in on 2nd of April 2022 from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. So once again I am reminding the timings of walk-in interview: morning 10 a.m. to afternoon 2 p.m. So the venue is Tirupati Medicare Limited, Himachal, Pradesh. So Paonta, Sahib. So this is the work location. So if you are interested, you can send your CVs to meenakshi.rawat @tirupatigroup.co.in. So let us see complete details regarding this job opening. So they are hiring for officer or senior executive for manufacturing department. So you must be a bachelor's in pharmacy or bachelor's in science to apply for this position. And the another is officer or executive for packaging, B.Pharm or B.Sc. The another is officer or senior officer for engineering, B.Tech or ITA or electrical. So the qualification is B.Tech, ITA or electrical. So as I already mentioned, the experience, which is minimum 2 years and maximum of 8 years of experience. Friends, it is a walk-in interview. Carry all your experience documents, including experience certificate, last 3 months pay slips. So everything which is common for a walk-in interview. As an experienced candidates, you all are aware of these things. So prepare well for the interview, and you need to prepare a good resume to while going for a walk-in interview. So here walk-in interview resumes play a little role, but it is vital. It shows all your experience, everything, etc. So carry a good resume, latest resume according to the company's need, by incorporating the skills that are required for the department that you are going to apply. Suppose if you are applying for a manufacturing department, so what kind of equipment that you can operate, so you should mention those skills in that resume. Likewise, and you can skip the unnecessary part. So suppose for packaging, what kind of packaging equipment you have handled previously in your working company, present working company. So likewise you need to mention in the resume. So these will create an impression to the recruiter that you have the right skill, and they are selecting the right candidate. So these are the details regarding this job opening. For getting regular job updates, subscribe to our channel and also turn on that notification bell icon. So I hope I have gathered all the enough information that you need in this video. So if you have any further doubts regarding this walk-in interview, you can comment in the comment box, or you can contact them with the mail ID that is provided in the screen. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.